Here's a number that should concern you. 80%. That's how much time most organizations spend cleaning data. Not analyzing, not deciding, not acting, just cleaning. You collect data in Excel, upload it somewhere. Then spend weeks reconciling duplicates, chasing missing fields, and trying to match records across systems. What if you could collect clean data from the start? That's what clean data at source means. Let's walk through the 4 unique capabilities. Capability 1, unique ID tracking across the stakeholder timeline. Here's the fundamental problem. You collect application data in January, you do a check-in call in March, you collect quarterly feedback in June, you gather exit data in December. Traditional approach? Manual matching, broken links, lost context, hours spent figuring out which Sarah is which. Don't try to connect data after the fact. It never works at scale. Sopact's approach is different. Every stakeholder gets a unique ID from day one. Application, linked. Quarterly check-in, linked. Exit survey, linked. Follow-up a year later, still linked. For fund managers tracking portfolio companies, you invest in a company. That company gets a unique ID. Every data point, due diligence, financials, founder interviews, board notes, all linked to that same ID. 2 years later, when you're preparing for your LP report, you pull up the company ID and see the complete journey, all connected. For Accelerator directors managing cohorts, each startup in your cohort gets a unique ID at application. Demo day pitch, linked. Mentor feedback, linked. Alumni survey 3 years later, still linked. You can track not just cohort level outcomes, but individual company trajectories. Which companies that struggled ended up succeeding? Now you can actually answer that. For fellowship program leaders, each fellow gets a unique ID when they apply. Application essay, interview notes, all connected. You can finally answer, what happened to fellows who scored lower on interviews but higher on essays? Longitudinal tracking is possible without manual matching. Capability 2, eliminate duplication while enabling portfolio level tracking. Take a funder working with 20 coaching organizations. You send a generic survey link. Multiple people from the same organization respond, or someone responds twice. Your data is corrupted. Don't use generic survey links. Sopact solves this with unique reference links. Each organization gets their own quarterly collection link. That link can be tied to organizational email or any unique identifier. The key? No one can respond to someone else, no duplicates possible. For membership and association leaders with 500 member organizations, each gets exactly 1 submission. You can see individual results and aggregate them into sector-wide insights. No more did organization X submit twice. For investment committees, you're reviewing 20 deal submissions. Each deal gets a unique reference. Pitch deck, financials, team bios, all tied to that deal. No confusion about versions, everything organized, nothing lost. Capability 3, instant document review and automatic feedback loop. This can save you hundreds of hours per cycle. Traditional process, reviewer opens each document manually, checks for completeness, flags missing sections, waits for responses. For 200 applications, the math is brutal. Don't review documents manually when AI can do the first pass instantly. Document uploaded, immediately analyzed. Using intelligent cells, you can run rubric-based scoring, redline missing sections, and flag compliance issues automatically. For accelerators, receive 500 applications. With instant review, every pitch deck is scored against your rubric automatically. Applicants get same-day feedback to improve submissions. Your reviewers focus on the top 100 applications, not administrative triage. Time saved? Hundreds of hours. For fellowship programs, AI can check if all documents are present, score essays, and flag generic recommendation letters. Reviewers spend time on judgment calls, not checking file formats, faster decisions, higher quality submissions. Reviewers focus on nuanced evaluation. Capability 4, passing context across data collection cycles. This is what makes unified reporting actually possible. From an onboarding interview, you automatically generate a logic model. Inputs, activities, outputs, outcomes, context captured once, used everywhere. Next quarter, you collect Q1 data pre-populated with your logic model and data dictionary. Q2 data automatically connects to Q1, all unified. For fund managers, every quarterly data collection references the original logic model. When it's time to report to LPs, you don't start from scratch. You see the investment thesis, quarterly metrics, and qualitative insights in one unified narrative, built automatically over 4 quarters. For fellowship programs, tracking multi-year journeys, 5 years later, you can show exactly how fellows' trajectories evolved. Don't treat each data collection cycle as a standalone event. Do pass context forward, so every new data point builds on what you already know. So here's the summary. Clean data at source isn't about cleaning faster. It's about not needing to clean at all. 4 capabilities make this possible. 1. Unique ID tracking across the stakeholder timeline. 2. Zero duplication with portfolio level tracking. Unique reference links ensure verified responses. 3. Instant document review with AI. 4. Passing context across cycles. These transform how you collect and use data. Now here's what I need you to do. First, hit that red subscribe button for more data collection workflows. Second, bookmark this playlist. If you want to see how this works for your specific use case, come talk to us. Stop spending 80% of your time on cleanup. Start collecting clean data at the source. Click subscribe, click bookmark, and let's fix your data collection. See you in the next video.